good morning. Today we will be doing maths and coloring. Yes. So the first number that we are going to learn today is something absolutely new. Okay, a very new number. I hope you know what it means. Before that, shall we see all the numbers that we have learned until now? Okay, I'll show the cards one by one. You tell me what they stand for. What is this? Good. 1. What is this? Good. 2. 3. Super. 4. 5. 6. 7. Good, that's an 8. And then 9. And what was the next number that we had learned? After 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, 10 was the next number. I'm going to teach you how to write 10. But before you learn to write 10, you have to learn how to trace one number called 0. Shall I show you how to trace number 0? It's very easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's your 0. What is it? It's just like a circle, right? Yes. So you start from here and then stop. 0. 0. You know what is 0? When you do counting, you know, when I say give me 1 chocolate or give me 5 chocolate, you know to take and give me 5 chocolate, right? Now when I say give me 0 chocolate, how many will you give me? Nothing. That's because 0 means nothing. Remember the material spindle box that we had? Take a look at it. In the spindle box, you had these compartments for 1, 2, 3, 4. And in 1, you had put 1 spindle. And in 2, there were 1, 2. And in 3, you had put 1, 2, 3. And in 4, you had 1, 2, 3 and 4. How about this? Just now I told you what this is. What is this? 0. 0 means nothing. That is why there is nothing put inside this box. You see in this compartment, is there anything? Nothing. Because of 0. 0 means nothing. So you don't put anything into it. So if I tell you to jump 1 time, you jump 1. If I tell you to jump 0 times, you should not jump because 0 means nothing. Okay? I hope you all got the meaning of 0. Okay, now I'll show you how to trace 0. See, that's your 0. So let's start from here. Okay, go in a circle. Stop. Always go down, okay? Go like this. Stop. That is 0. Okay? You must know how to write a 0 and what is a 0 before we go to 10. 10, how will I count? 0 I can't count because I told 0 means nothing. Let's say I have a box here. And in that box, I want you to put 5 marbles, means then you will have to drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 marbles will go into the box. Is it not? But if I am going to say, please put 0 marbles into the box, what will you put? How many marbles you will put into it? Nothing. You should put nothing because 0 means nothing. Okay. But when we go to the next number, that is after 9 that we had learned, I told 10. Let's count 10 and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 fingers. How many fingers do you have? Do you also have 10 fingers? Okay, great. How many of you tried to count the number rods when you had come the other day to school? Did you count up to 10? Yes? This was number rod of 10 and I told you how to count also, right? Stop, stop, stop and count. As you stop, you say the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Then you put the card of 10. I'll show you how 10 is written. Okay? This is how 10 is written. Now it's very easy for you to write number 10. What is next to 0? There's a 1, right? Yeah, that is all. You have to write 1 and 0. It becomes a 10. We already know how to write 1. And just now we learned how to write 0. It's like writing the letter O. As in orange, octopus, on, off, yeah, like that. That same only. So 1 and 0 together you call it as 10. Okay, you should always call this as 10, not 1 and 0. Okay, now I'll show you how to write 10. We just counted there are 10 fingers. Yeah, so you'll write it as 1, 0, 10. 10. You got it? Now shall we see what is there in our workbook? Come. If you turn to page number 22, you will find the number that we had learned just now. What is that number? 0. Okay, you can see that very clearly circled here, right? Will you circle and find out the other zeros? Like there's one here and the next 0 is here. Okay, after you have identified the 0, then we'll go to write number 10. See here, can you identify 10? There's a 1 and a 0 in it. Okay, so kindly circle all the 10s in this page. Okay, you should make sure that they are together. You see they are together, right? 1 and 0, they are together. They are not separate. Circle it. And on this side of the page, you will find the 10 for tracing. Use different colors crayons to trace. Maybe an orange one, then 0 also has to be in orange. Okay, because they are together, they should be given same color. Then you take green and go for green and green. Yellow and yellow. Okay, don't go different colors for each number. Together, because they are always together, the same color you give when you go for one time and you say 10. 10. And count the number of bowls which are kept here. Will you do it? Okay, so that is for your max. Page number 19, 20 and 22. That's all. You just have to do the identification and tracing of 10 and identification of 0. Next we will see coloring. For your coloring, you will do the coloring of 2 pages. One is the ice cream which is already done for you. Okay, this side. Mostly cones will be in brown color, so you can give a brown color cone or you can give a pink peach color cone. And here you can give any flavored chocolate that you, any color, any flavor that you like. Chocolate, strawberry, pista, anything that you like. So accordingly you give the color that you want here. Here probably it is a vanilla. That is why they are having it in white itself. Okay. If you wish, you can change the color. In the same way, in the next page, I want you to do the shoe and socks. So there is a socks here, a pair of socks and a pair of shoes. Okay, so you can color the socks whichever way you want. You can give one color or 2 colors. 2 colors means here one color, here one color, but both the socks must be of the same color. Okay, shoes also similarly, whichever color that you like. Now the rules for coloring is, you will have to first learn how to give a outline, a thick outline, and then make very small movements when you are coloring it. Similarly for the shoe also. Will you all remember that rule? Make the outline and color lightly. Look out for white spaces and fill it up in the end. That is all, children, for this week. I'll meet you in another video or probably at school when you come for your school visit. I hope you are all enjoying your school visit. Next class onwards, I want you to bring your book here itself. Let me see if I can help you complete your work here itself, because I want to make sure that you are doing your work. Will you bring your maths workbook and your English work, notebook which Soundarya is teaching you to write? Let me see how you are doing it. I want to take a look at your completed work. Okay? Bring it this week. Let's see how you have done your work. I'll meet you then at school. Bye-bye.